For your week 4 assignment, you will be creating a blog. Don't worry if you haven't ever created a blog before, as we will provide all the necessary tools to help you be successful. So for step 1, you will prepare for this assignment by reading and reviewing the various sources here. Be sure to download the blog post outline, which you will be using to create your blog. Step 2 is where you will have all the information you need to create a blog. After going through this information, if you still are struggling a little bit, don't be afraid to reach out to your instructor if you need additional support. Step 3 outlines for you all the content that your blog should cover. This information is also included in your blog post outline. Remember, you are going to use the blog post outline to write your blog, and then you will copy and paste the work into your actual blog. So for this assignment, you will be choosing 4 different technological or digital tools that you can use in your instructional setting. I encourage you to refer back to these 2 articles, 61 Free Teaching Tools that Aid Classroom Learning and Digital Tools for Engagement, to help you find and choose 4 different technological or digital tools. So I'm going to pull up the Week 4 blog post outline, and this is what you're going to be using to write your blog. So first thing is, when you do create your blog, you need to make sure that you publish it, and you're going to insert your link right here so that your instructor can access it when they're grading your work. But you're going to use this outline to write your blog, and then you will copy and paste what you've written here into your blog, as you need to add additional things in your blog, such as images, it could be videos, to further enhance it. But so what you will do is you're going to choose, like I said, 4 different digital tools or technological tools, and you're going to explore each one of them. So once you've identified a technical tool, you're going to identify it here and provide the link. You're going to explain the features of your tool so that the reader has a clear sense of what the tool can do for teaching and learning. Then you'll provide an example of how you'll use this tool in an instructional setting. Then you're going to explain how the tool will help maintain learner engagement or promote greater student collaboration. So this is where you need to make reference to your course readings or credible sources to support your analysis. This is where I'm going to see citations to support your thinking, or essentially validate what your opinion is. And then you're going to justify if that tool is accessible for learners by considering what challenges you foresee. So if you think there are no challenges, make sure you justify why you think the tool you selected is accessible for all learners. If it's not accessible, discuss what suggestions or workarounds you have to make it more accessible. And again, this is where you need to provide evidence from the course readings or credible sources to support your analysis. So again, I should see citations, and then at the end of all your blog posts, you're going to provide your reference, and it's here in your outline as well. So you'll include that information here as well. So again, you're going to do that for each of the 4 digital tools that you've selected. Then you'll copy and paste what you've provided in your actual blog. So once you've completed that, it does say here for your posting instructions that you will share your blog with your peers. This is an error. You will not be sharing it with peers, but instead providing your published blog link in the blog post outline that I showed you previously. And then you will submit your entire blog post outline to Waypoint, where your instructor will be able to access your blog, link within your document. Be sure to review the required format, and then you will submit, as I said, your blog post outline to Waypoint. Be sure that you also review the grading rubric to ensure that you cover all components of this assignment.